Evening, good evening. Make will come, make will come, make will come, make will come see something. Make will come see something. Oh yeah, make will come. Oh yeah, they don't break. Oh yeah, make will come. Oh yeah, they don't break. Oh yeah, make will come. Oh yeah, they don't break. I hope you did. I hope you can hear me. Let me know where you're joining me from. Uh, in today's uh, in today's broadcast, I'm going to show us how the people in the United Kingdom how they vote, and I'm going to be voting myself. I'm going to be voting. You guys will see how we mobilize for 2023 election. The same way we mobilize for the 2023 election is the same way this election is being mobilized. The people of United Kingdom are not happy with the government and they are doing something about it. Everybody come to vote. Guys, watch out. Let me show us our accreditation center. Nobody is snatching ballot box. Nobody is snatching ballot box. So this is our accreditation center. You know, let me go to the queue. This is our accreditation center so that you guys will see our accreditation center as it is. See people there. So, are we in queue, right? Hold on, hold on,
So basically,
hold
we've
on.
got two polling stations.
Yeah,
So we've
no,
got two different queues.
yeah.
So I'm just going to ask you what your first letter of your address is. Is that all right?
J.
Can you?
Okay.
You're going to stay in this queue for me.
J, right? Jasmine Square.
Jasmine Square. You can bypass this queue
What?
and go into the polling station.
Okay.
Okay, so you go to the one on the right-hand side for me, all right?
So why are we bypassing?
The queue.
Why?
There's two polling stations. One has a queue and one doesn't.
Okay.
So we don't want you to wait if you don't have to.
Okay.
But yeah.
So, Nene, okay. Don't worry.
Yeah, they both take some break.
Put it down there.
You can put it down. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Check yours. Okay. So as you see, this is what they call the accreditation here, guys. Anyway, I think it's not allowed. I might have to come back again and yeah, I might have to come back again. Guys, I will have to come back. Let's see.